welcome to the fabulous Florida Keys and to our family here at RESF Island Property. As the southernmost county in Florida, we enjoy an environment very similar to that of the Caribbean. The Keys, as we like to call it, are where people come to get their island on.
Why the Florida Keys, you ask? With over 1,700 islands stretching all the way from Biscayne Bay down to the beautiful dry Tortugas, it's no wonder they call this America's island nation.
This is truly an island paradise. The balance between nature and people are apparent all around you. Dolphin playing in the water, key deer in your backyard. And don't forget the yearly southern trek of the northern birds visiting. Not just feathered birds, snowbirds too.
Diving historic wrecks, great fishing, and awesome restaurants like this one at Jimmy Johnson's Big Chill. Of course, and the great sunsets every day. There is no better place to enjoy and live your vacation every day.
The word is out. The Florida Keys are a very popular vacation destination, and we're here to manage, market your second home, your investment properties, to people that are escaping the cold weather up north, and to families that are looking for an island getaway.
But why vacation here when you can live here?
If you're thinking of buying, selling, or renting,
And the fabulous Florida Keys.
Don't make a move without speaking to one of us first.
And don't forget, it's always a beautiful day in paradise.